Okay, so I'm going to show you right now how to implement a simple class in C#. Nothing complicated, just show you how you could create a class and declare some variables and then access them through a different part of the program, such as the main function in the program.cs file. So let's go up top here and add the class project and add class and select your class and let's call it cars. Click OK, and as you can see here, the Visual Studio IDE has already created the class file for us. All we need to do is declare the variables. You could also initialize them if you want. So let's go ahead and create variables. We'll start off with the year using an int data type. So int year, and we're not going to give it any values. We'll do it on the other side of the program in the main function afterwards. Let's do a string for the make, a string for the model, and a string for the color. And if I compile this now, I'm going to get 4 warnings, and it's saying that it's probably going to say that the values, there's no values initialized to those variables. So 4 warnings, no biggie. Let's go back to the program.cs file. We'll go to our main function, and now we'll create an object, a new object of that class using the new method. So the new method, basically all it does is it creates a new object during runtime in the heap memory of your computer. So we'll do cars, and you already see it in IntelliSense. And we'll create a variable for that cars class, and we'll call it myCars equals new myCars, or cars, sorry. Okay, and then that's all you need to do. Now it's very simple. All you need to do is now call the myCars variable and access the functions or the variables through there. Let's compile this one more time. Alright, and then myCars dot. Now I'm not seeing the variables inside of IntelliSense, and that's basically because I did not declare my variables to be public. So let's do that. So let's give it public, int and string, and public again, and public. Now if I go back to my class again, my main function, I should see it now. So myCars dot year, and let's say 2010, myCars dot make equals BMW, myCars dot model equals M3, and myCars dot color equals black. Now we can just do a console.writeline just to make sure that everything is there. So we can just copy all of this that we have here, paste it down here. We'll get rid of this. Alright, so let's do console.write and I'll just copy that again. Alright, and then one more thing I'll do before I run this is do environment.newline, just so that we can see all the variables with their values inside a new line and not all together in the same line. And I'll copy that again. And that's it. So now let's compile this and run. And there you go. So we have 2010 BMW M3 in black. So that's what the variables that I gave or assigned to it. And that is just a simple way on how to create a class and how to access variables through it.